Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Ede, today we're going to discuss about the characteristics of a good entrepreneur. In this lesson, you will be able to enumerate or tell the characteristics of a good entrepreneur. Are you ready? What are the characteristics of a good entrepreneur? Positive. A good entrepreneur must be optimistic.
I should see problems as challenges and opportunities to grow, instead of seeing them as obstacles that will bring me down. I do not want to lose hope in times of trials and unsuccessful plans.
Hardworking. A good entrepreneur needs to work hard, most especially at the beginning of his or her venture.
I must always focus on my goals and surround myself with people who will encourage me more to pursue and achieve my goals.
Courageous. A good entrepreneur is a risk taker who is not afraid to try something new for the betterment of his business.
I should always be open to opportunities and should never settle for anything less. I should not be afraid of planning new strategies and implementing changes in the business, if needed.
Creative. A good entrepreneur should seek innovative ways to make the business grow.
I should be more creative and resourceful for the success of my business.
Helpful and supportive. A good entrepreneur does not work alone. Instead, he or she works with a team.
I should build a harmonious relationship with the people around me and should remain approachable and accommodating.
Healthy. A good entrepreneur should have a healthy mind and body.
I should remain strong, especially when dealing with problems and struggles in business. My efforts will be put into waste if I am weak and unproductive.
Quick thinker. A good entrepreneur is a fast learner and a quick thinker.
I should strive hard to learn and make quick decisions but should know how to discern, comprehend, calculate, and estimate the expected result.
Applying the different strategies in handling and managing a business is one of the keys to its success. A good entrepreneur must be good at handling, managing, and interacting with people. And a good entrepreneur must maintain a good working relationship with others by having a good qualities, attitude, and behavior. Once again, in order to become a successful entrepreneur, you must be positive, hardworking, courageous, creative, helpful and supportive, healthy, and quick thinker. Say yes if the statement is correct, and say no if it is incorrect. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. A good entrepreneur must be good at interacting with people. This is yes. A good entrepreneur should remain strong, especially when dealing with problems in business. And the answer is yes. A good entrepreneur can work alone. This is no. A good entrepreneur should know how to discern and estimate the expected result. The answer is yes. A good entrepreneur should not lose hope in times of trials and unsuccessful plans. And this is yes. A good entrepreneur is not a risk taker. The answer is no. A good entrepreneur works with a team. And this is yes. A good entrepreneur should be afraid in planning new strategies. The answer is no.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.